In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Pinterest in 2020. You can make money on Pinterest without any affiliate marketing or without having any knowledge. Just simple method that I'm going to show you. If you follow that, and you can make $100 per day or more on Pinterest. This system works worldwide, so there is no excuse. You can, from any part of the country, anywhere in the world, you can do it as long as you have internet and pay a Pinterest account is free to create, so you can go ahead and create Pinterest account. We are not going to upload any pin or creating board, or we are not going to do that, but this system is a little bit different. For this video, I'm going to use Pinterest and my Payhip account where I gonna promote my ebook. You can apply this different. You can promote YouTube videos with Pinterest, or you can promote affiliate offers with this method. Usually Pinterest doesn't allow certain affiliate network link on the post, but we are not going to make any post. We're gonna promote their offers. I'm gonna show the way. So I'm gonna show the way to promote my ebook. You can apply this method to different offers and different programs. So as you see, this my Payhip account. Today I upload around 7 ebook. I only use Pinterest to promote it, and you can see it from here. I am getting traffic from Pinterest for free. I didn't spend any ad budget. I didn't do any advertisement, just promoting using a Pinterest direct link. So people watch and click the link. I am getting a traffic from Pinterest for free. You can see it from here. So how you can do that, or how you can make a sales, or how you can promote your affiliate offers, I will talk about everything in this video. So before that, if you are new to my channels, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and click the like button on the bottom of the video, so I can make a video like this every single day for free. I don't make any courses. I don't charge you guys anything. For the giveaway, I need to get this video 100 likes. If this video get 100 likes, I will do the £10 giveaway on next video. So watch that video until end for the giveaway detail. So first, what you have to do, for ebook, I want to promote intermittent fasting formula, which is the diet plan to lose weight. So I went to Pinterest and search for intermittent fasting. These are the people are created on intermittent fasting. Or in other case, if you want to promote a weight loss program, search the lose weight and see the thousands of pins people are created. These are pins created for the people websites and affiliate offers. Some of them are advertisement. You can see, if you go to bottom, this is advertisement, is direct link to the website, but these are the pin people created for their blog post. So if we open one of the blog posts, so for example, I want to open this one, and you can see this person has around 12,000 followers and 5 comments. If you click 5 comments, you can see straight away there's a people commented about the workout plan, and they put the bit.ly link there. This is an affiliate offers they are promoting. So you can get affiliate offers, show the link, and you can, people are putting this link here. I seen this person repeating that pattern every single weight loss program. They are putting this bit.ly link there. But one thing you need to be sure, you need to make sure that blog posts have more attention in order to work. So you see, only have 11,000 followers, but only 5 comments is there. So I don't see how this effective by putting these affiliate offers on their comment section, and I don't see how many people are going to click this link and buy their program or buy the offers in order to they make affiliate commission. But the method I am using is a little bit different. So what you have to do, go to Pinterest again, and for me is intermittent fasting diet, or for you is a different program. And what you have to do, find the pin and find the Pinterest account that has more followers. So 12,000 is good, but one of the thing I found this called fitwire.com. So this account has around 400,000 followers and around 383 following. So don't worry about the following, you need to worry about the followers. First, what you have to do, first you have to click follow button and you have to follow that. Why? Because you can send a message to all of the followers regarding your ebook offers or your affiliate offers. So first of all, what you have to do, when you find the page, this page is all about fitness, lose weight, and health and diet. So you can't promote money making offers in this Pinterest followers because they don't like it, where they only like about fitness and diet. So you need to be promoting a specific niche or a specific product in a specific Pinterest page, otherwise this system won't work. So what you have to do, you now find out the biggest Pinterest page on fitness, and you already have the product that you want to promote is about intermittent fasting formula. It's the same thing. So what you have to do, you need to type a message. What you have to do, go to Google Doc or Grammarly and type the following. You don't need to copy and everything. So I just said, hey, I find out that you're following this page, so this is the page they're following, and said them I'm following too, and if you're interested in fitness like losing weight without heavy exercise, you should have this following ebook. So you can use this coupon, so you can get 50% off, and you put your URL link for your ebook or your affiliate or whatever. Now what you have to do, copy that and go to Pinterest account that you want to follow here and click followers, and these are the 400,000 followers open up. Just what you have to do, right click this followers and open a new tab and open that, and this will bring this to the person Pinterest page. Now what you have to do, there's a 3 dot here, click this button and click send message, and paste that message there and click send, and it will send the message automatically. And if you go to this button here, message button, if you open up, and you can see the message that you sent. So what you have to do, spend 1 hour and sending message. Don't do it continuously, because Pinterest sees something is happened with your account. You are doing too much same thing over and over again. So send around 50 message in 1 hour, so leave it for 1 hour, then come back and send 50 message. But when you're sending a message, there is some people live in Pinterest like Instagram for every single time. They don't like it, you spam with them. So when I start to send a message and this person send me back, this isn't okay. So what I did is I sent this following message. So I said, I'm sorry, we don't want to spam you with the affiliate offers or any offers. We want to promote our ebook, and said I'm extremely sorry, because it's better to tell them sorry, because they will report you back and maybe your account is banned. They can't easily ban your account, but better late than sorry, right? So what you have to do, so if some of the followers send me, don't spam me, or this is okay, or you whatever they don't, if they don't like it, send a message again, tell them you are sorry about that, and you want to promote your ebook or whatever. So you're not going to send a message anymore. So something like that to prevent them from reporting. Now, like I said, this system works worldwide. So what you have to do, just find the page that has a higher interaction, higher followers, and take a couple of the followers and send them a message about your offers. Don't think about it quick success, because it's never going to happen. If we spend 1 hour and send a message for 100 people, and none of them going to come and buy it. That is the thing, guys. So you want to get traffic organically, which means you have to send message over and over and over again. You can go here and you can find the different Pinterest pages on here. From here and use you can go here, click that different pages and send the followers to that followers. Also in some pin as a good comment section, that means people are not spamming that and they are replying for that pin, so you can go ahead and answer to that pin also. But you can see this pin has over 72 comments. Again it's belong to that person, but have a 72 comment. If you open up, like I said, this person is promoting their affiliate offers here. But if you go down here, there's a different comment, authentic comments are there, so you can promote your affiliate offers. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you are new to my channels, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to click the like button on the bottom of the video for the giveaway. If this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. All you have to do, like this video on the comment section, write I like this video and put your PayPal email address. When it reaches 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Until that, see you in next video guys. Again, you can apply this theory and make money on Pinterest in 2020 without any issue, and this system work worldwide. So try it out today and let's see how this working. Okay, alright guys, thanks.